Is it possible to copy the same exact strategies that top affiliate marketers in the world are using? In this video, I'm going to show you the top affiliate marketers strategies that are using right now. And I'm talking about strategies that can generate hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, disclaimer here, I am not promising that you'll make any money. As you can see, there are a lot of people making money online, and you can copy exactly what they are doing so you can become successful as well. So I'm gonna take you by the hand and show you step by step exactly what to do in order to become successful online. I'm going to show you what they are doing and what they are not doing. This is the first time that I am revealing this information. I haven't done that before, but this time I'm going to go ahead and do that for you. So by the end of this video, you're gonna know more than 99% of all affiliates and online marketers. And there is no plug here to sell a course. I'm not selling you a course. There's nothing here for me to sell you. All I ask you is subscribe, drop a like, and make sure to hit that notification button and share that video to support this channel. I notice a lot of people that watch my video, about half don't even push the like button. Basically, that like button is like a vote for me. That means you want more of the same information that I can deliver to you. So make sure to do that if you like the video. Here's what you need to do. All right, Mark Daniels here with you. As I mentioned, I'm going to go ahead and share some very important information with you. And the information that I'm about to reveal to you is not really wide known. Most of it is just like a lot of secret stuff that a lot of maybe YouTubers or what have you don't know about, or maybe they just don't talk about. We're talking about affiliate marketing strategies, affiliate marketing for beginners, and how to dominate any market. Now, what I'm about to tell you and go through this presentation is basically you can dominate any market. It does not have to be online or offline, but I am focusing more on online marketing or affiliate marketing, so to speak. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just get going here. The first thing that I want you to do is to really pay attention to what I'm about to say, because I tend to kind of like make you think, because if you think on your own, you'll be much better, in much better position to succeed very fast. But if you depend too much on other things, for example, it'll be very difficult, or it'll be kind of consuming to do that, time consuming, I mean. Now, does the product you promote determine success? What I like you to do is to go ahead and in the comment area, go ahead and put in yes or no. That's it. Yes or no. I will tell you about it in just a little bit. I hope you already did that. So let's go ahead and move on. The answer is no. And that's why there is a lot of people that really don't succeed in online marketing or affiliate marketing, is because they spend a whole lot of time and energy trying to find the right product for them either to sell or to promote if they are an affiliate. Now, this is not the right thing to do. And if you watch a lot of YouTubers, YouTube channels, YouTube videos, they show you, hey, watch me make $5,000 in one day or whatever using this, blah, blah, blah. Well, what I'm talking about is building a long-term business, not something that you can just make a little bit of money in a month or so, and then after that, you be like, okay, what do I do next? No, I'm talking about, like I showed you before, $500,000 a month, $50,000 a month, $10,000 a month to get started. And that's usually my goal when I set it up to the people that I coach. I don't coach entrepreneurs anymore. $10,000 is the goal. But you can tell, you don't have to take my word for it. You know, and I showed you the people that make that money, and then you can research it. But I'm going to go ahead and prove to you that the product is not the issue. And the issue is you can look at it as in a positive way or in a negative way. In a positive way, well, let's start with the negative first. In a negative way is that 99% of the people that go online don't make it because they just don't know the answer to that. And it's good for you because you're going to know exactly how to do it. It's not good if for other people, for example, who are not watching this video, for example, they're not going to know exactly how to do it and how to succeed. Again, I'm talking about building a business, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. So I'm going to ask you another question, and I want the same response is to go ahead and put the information in the common area. Does McDonald's sell the best tasting hamburger in the world? Now, I want you to go ahead and take a second, put yes or no. Well, the answer is no. Product is not everything. Okay, a lot of people make much better tasting hamburgers, and I've seen it many times, and I've tasted really good hamburgers, but they're not that successful. The reason McDonald's successful is because of certain reasons that I'm going to share with you. And that's why I mention it doesn't really matter whether you are in physical product. It really doesn't matter because the rules apply the same. And I'm going to share some information with you. One of them is that one of my assistants was telling me about some people are selling a lot. We decided to know exactly what they're doing. And he was surprised because the product that they were selling is really not that good, but they were selling a whole lot of them. The reason for that is I'm going to share that with you is because they do have a good foundation. At the same time, they systemize, automize everything so it runs whether you're there, you're not there, it's automatically running. We talked about, McDonald's. There's a lot of things I can share with you about McDonald's because I really know a whole lot about them. But so why they are number one worldwide? If they don't make the best product, why they are number one? I mean, they got to be a reason. They don't make the best product. Systems, processes, and automation, that's going to produce a dominating selling machine. When you have those three, you will become a dominant, whether you are planning to do it, not planning to do it, when things are happening automatically, when you are selling automatically, when you have a process that is proven and systems in place, you're going to be able to sell. You're going to dominate a market. And then what's good about it is once you set it up once, you can add other markets. In case you just don't know, when long time ago in the 50s when McDonald's got started just selling mainly two products. One of them was hamburger, the other one was milkshakes. And then now you know how many products they added into that because they already have the system, so they keep adding products after products after product. Dominating selling machine system. There's essential part of your success. You must have basic tools. Success tools, I call them. It's used by top online entrepreneurs. This is a key insight. Digital marketing and automation are still secret weapons for entrepreneurs who know how to use them. Notice, secret weapons. Again, secret weapons. But people just don't know. They go and watch that video to show you how you can make $1,000 by copy and paste. And people fall for it all the time. That's what's kind of like bad, annoying. Stay away from that by all means. All right. Tools needed to dominate online marketing. A lot of people still think they believe in a fairy tale. They believe in the pie in the sky because they watch somebody telling them how to do XYZ without anything at all. It just from the air, by your hands, you can create something. It doesn't work. Okay, you have to really understand that if you want to build a business, if you want to build a business that's gonna last, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a few things here that you have to have. And these are the basic of the basic. Now, the online marketers, the top online marketers, the affiliate marketers, the one that they're really making it really big online, and I'm not talking about the entertainment stuff or stunts and things like that online. I'm talking about real business that you can actually sell it or do something with it. It's just like a real platform for you. Okay, you need to have some kind of traffic platform. You have to have the right email autoresponder. I talked about that. Not all email autoresponders are the same. The third one is a sales funnel software. The other one is tracking software. But I want you to do me a favor. Out of all these, you got 5 here. I want you to tell me which one is the most important thing. Which one runs the whole operation for you? A lot of people don't understand which one it is. I want you to go ahead and put in the comment area, put which out of these is the one that is most important, that is the brain of your operation. Well, I'm going to go ahead and make it easier for you. It's a sales funnel software. There is a reason for that, which I'm going to go step by step and I'm going to show you. If you understand that concept, it'll be very difficult for you to fail. Now, I want to make a disclosure here. I'm not saying you're going to make any money at all. I'm not promising that you will make even $1 because I don't know you. I don't know your habits. It'll be very difficult to fail if you follow what I'm about to tell you. I'm going to go ahead and just go over that. Now, we already talked about the sales funnel software. Consider this as your operation brain. So let's go ahead and move on. It's automated operation, and I'm going to show you and prove to you how is that works. All right. Now, of course, I'm going to make it simple at this point. I'm not going to tell you what you can do with sales funnel because the one that I use is called Click Funnels. It's very easy to use, and I can share a lot of my sales funnels, for example, with you guys, and I've done that before. So let's go ahead and talk about landing page. You can create a landing page. It doesn't matter what you're selling. You get into landing page, thank you page, and delivery page in case you are delivering some kind of a PDF file or book or a product like you take them straight automatically like I do, like I taught you how to do it. You can take them straight to the affiliate sales page. Now watch this. Let's say you already have the landing page, thank you page, and delivery page or product page that takes them straight to the affiliate marketing sales page. All right, obviously you're gonna need traffic. I showed you where to get the traffic. Everything here that you see on the screen, I have a link in the description area. I think I have some coupons on some of these. I'm not really sure which one. Traffic is important. The one that I have in here, it'll give you a traffic within 24 hours, especially if you are starting. Now, here's what happened. Automatically inside the sales funnel, you can send in the landing page. You can send that email address, obviously, if they did opt in. If they opted in to your landing page, and I showed you how to create a landing page with 40% opt-in rate. So it sends it to your autoresponder a list that you designate. You have to create one. And then also, what does it do? It goes to the tracking software and it tells you that somebody did opt in to your landing page. Why is that important? It's very important because a lot of people, they just like fly blind. What they do is they create a landing page and sometimes they don't get any sales and they just don't know how. They don't know if people landed here on the landing page or maybe they came in. They don't know what their opt-in percentage is. Your opt-in percentage could be 1%, which is very low. So you know there's a problem in the landing page and you need to go ahead and fix some things and maybe watch the video that I did on that. Now, the second thing, they go to the thank you page. I'm not going to talk too much about the thank you page, but also it is tracked. So you'll know people did get the thank you page. I do it automatically. You don't have to. They go to the delivery page or the product page that I talked about. And also you can track them through the software. You can see, oh, okay, they did go to the sales page. Did they buy? Didn't buy? Then you can go ahead and have a clear idea. A lot of people, they just don't think much about this. Now, I do have, before I forget, I do have one of the best ones because I've been looking. Every year we look for see if there's something new as far as tracking software because it is so important to know that. You need to know what is working, what is not working, because otherwise you'll be wasting a lot of money trying to buy traffic to get them here, but nothing is happening. So you'll know nobody is opting in or very few people opting in, you can work on your landing page. And this is what you need to work on. And remember, everything that I'm telling you about, this is what actually the top affiliate, the people that you see making a lot of money online, that's what they do, because you are building a business. Now, the other thing that people don't realize, that the reason I told you you need a hosting platform right here, not because I want you to sell product there. You can do that, but not now if you are a beginner. You can always try to put some links, but don't depend on that to be your major selling machine. It will not work. The reason I'm saying that, because you don't want to be homeless online. You don't want to be homeless on the internet, because when people hear about your name, they're going to Google you. And if you don't have a website, the level of trust will go down. Sales funnels, with one click, you can create a whole website with one click. Now, I'm not going to show you how to do it. It's very easy because there's a plugin. They have a plugin. Now, this is exactly how you become very successful. I hope this has really made sense. I really do, because a lot of people think like, oh, okay, I need a website too. No, you can have a website from the sales funnel. They already have a plethora, or they have more than 10, 15 different websites, and then you can change them. You can change them. You can do whatever you want to with them. So I'm just giving you an example here of something that you can have. You can have a one page, a website, you can 5 pages. It depends on what you want. You can do it all right there. But without these tools right here, you cannot succeed. It's very difficult. I've never seen anybody really succeeded without these. Now, in the old days, it used to be much easier, but now you have a lot more competition. You have to be a lot smarter. What I want you to do is believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, because I get some people, and the reason I made this video is because I got a couple of email asking me, what does this tool do? Why should I have it? What does it do? How does it interact with the other ones? Now you know that all that, for example, it's all right here. All you need is these, which you can start free. But this is the most important thing, because this is what's going to automate everything for you. I hope I made that clear, just in case I didn't, because I know some people very new to this. It might look hard. You see a lot of arrows there. It is not. I'm just showing you what goes where, because I got emails from people asking me, well, how does traffic flow? How do I get it to the autoresponder? You don't have to. You just put in the information in the landing page where to send it, because ClickFunnels has a plugin for all the autoresponders out there. So you can push the email address straight there, and you can sell them some other stuff later on, send them some emails. All right. What I want you to do is really believe in yourself. You were born to win, but to be a winner, you must plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. This is said by Zig Ziglar. Nothing could be further from the truth, because it is not you. I want you to understand that it is not you. It's somebody that is confusing you online. It's somebody that is telling you, click this and click this, and then you can make $100 an hour. Stay away from these people, because there's no such thing. Think about it. Become smart. Really think about it, and use your common sense, because if that's true, everybody will be rich. Everybody. If I can make $500 a day, anybody can make $500 a day, then everybody will be rich, and poverty will just disappear. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe, drop a like, and make sure to share this video with somebody that you care about. And if you want to know more about all the affiliate marketing and online marketing, make sure to check out the videos on the screen right now, so you'll have all the information that you need. And as usual, I'll see you at the top.